Hey everyone, welcome back again to yet another tutorial on this channel. This time we talk about how you can change the activity rings on the Apple Watch. Now there are some aspects that you can change, but most definitely some other things which you have no control over. So for example, you can easily change the goal for your activity rings. That is the amount of calories representing the whole circle can easily be modified. Also the exercise as well as the stand goal. On the watch, you just open up the Apple Watch Fitness app and you can just tap the plus minus button in the bottom right corner to adjust the goals. However, if you wanted to change the colors of these rings, for example, or what they represent, I'm afraid that's just not possible right now. And honestly, I don't think that Apple will change it anytime soon. But the good news is that there are some other fitness trackers on the Apple Watch. For example, there is this app called Foxtecc. And this one can access your Apple Health data, but can also display them in a different way. There are plenty of fitness rings to pick from. These can even be viewed from the watch face as a complication. So the point is that if you're not happy with the way your Apple Watch built-in rings work, you can also just switch to a different app instead. So let me know what you think about it down below in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.